Microbiologists, anesthetists are the one who maintain the CSST in many hospitals because they are the OT coordinators and OT directors, and they are the one who maintain the CSST. So always I have been fascinated by the way the CSST works, but never got a chance to look into the depth of CSST. But after coming here in Apollo, my mentor is Dr. Ram Subramanian. So with the help of him, I would say the key roles or the key areas which plays a major role, which are unheard by people, I started looking into them. As the role of an anesthetist or the surgeon, it's always used to be till the level of preoperative and intraoperative. The post-operative aspect has always been lost somewhere because the patient doesn't come to the anesthetist as a follow-up. They may go to the surgeons, but very rarely to the anesthetist. But when we looked into the post-operative complications, with which the patients comes into, and in which the most common is infection, that is where the role is actually missed out. So that actually inspired me after taking up this microbiology, where not only a doctor plays a role only during the admission of the patient at the hospital level, but you play a very major role in the patient's life, part of the patient's life after they go back home. So in every hospital, the patient safety is always everyone's priority. So that is where the goal is, and that is the goal towards which all of us work. Let it be any department. So similar way, CSST also works towards the patient safety, and patient safety is our priority. The first and foremost requirement is to fulfill the consumer's requirement. So that is the turnaround time or the TAT, which the CSST people are able to deliver it on time. The second important thing is how good are we delivering our things. That comes the quality part. So by delivering on time and delivering the best quality thing plays in which the CSST plays a major role. And third important thing, if we put both these things together, it definitely helps in the prevention of infection for the patient. So these are the three combined things when we put together. The CSST plays a major role in delivering a quality care for the patient. So the first level of empowerment would come when you start involving the people. So what we have done is in our HICC, the Hospital Infection Control Committee, we have involved the CSST team. So they are also a member of the Hospital Infection Control Committee. So the problems which are discussed on a whole in this committee meeting, so they are also involved into it where they can voice out if they have any problem or the problem raised on them. Also, they can voice out. Not only that, if we have come up with some issues and problem, they are the one who can voice out and solve it also. The CSSP people should also be attending the OT committee meeting. So by this, we can definitely empower those people so that the end users will recognize their work. The end users would come to know that, okay, these are the people who work in CSST. These are the people who take care of all the equipments and instruments with which we operate on the patient. So empowering which will come them by giving them responsibility and also by involving them in these activities so that people will start recognizing them. So previously, the CSST technicians, there was not a determined technical course which was available. But as of now, there are technical courses. Now the CSST people, they don't call themselves as technicians, they call themselves as technologists because there are training now, degrees and diplomas have also come for CSST people. So they can achieve. The people will start claiming you equal to them only when you gain knowledge. So knowledge comes with proper education and study. So if you do that level of training, so it becomes easy for you to collaborate with people and also come in front to them and talk with them upfront. So there are courses available, and not only that, you have to keep your knowledge updated. So we can attend so many webinars which keeps coming on the floor for the CSST people. We need to upgrade the CSST also by collaborating with the different international level associations for CSST. So that way, I think You can improvise on the background of CSSD.
Yeah.
So the scope in CSSD is quite broad. Previously, if you call upon CSSD, it only used to be only autoclave. But the department has become so much widened, or the scope of machineries have become so much widened. Autoclave used to be just benchtop autoclave or a horizontal autoclave, but things have evolved. The way we can assess even the every step of sterilization. So the field has evolved phenomenally. And for a job requirement, definitely yes, CSST has got a lot of job requirement for the people. So they can take up CSST as a full-time profession and look into it to strengthen their part to look into the CSST and help them out even for the development of this particular field.
Yes.
The most important thing is our hospital is also an ISO accredited hospital where the EMS standards play a very major role. The objectives of EMS is usage of papers should go down. So documentation plays a very major role in CSST to safeguard ourselves and also our patient, even during the medical legal process. So that way, for documentation, we use lots of registers and papers. So that is the way forward, which we are looking forward to reduce the usage of papers and moving on to some online system by which we can easily track back the instruments, easily track back the sterilization processes over the system and reduce the usage of papers and registers, which really becomes tough for us, not only entering into the system but also maintenance of so much of registers for a period of time. The second is the tracking of the instruments. That has always been a challenge. A hospital like us, where we have 18 theaters, where there is a multidisciplinary team, right from general surgeons to neurosurgeons to all sub and super specialty people working in one place at one point of time. So instrument tracking system plays a very major role, and it's very difficult even for us to track which were the instruments used, how many times they were autoclaved, how many times they were broken, was it changed recently and not changed recently. I think that is the way where we can see to implement a system, an online implementation of system by which we can easily track the instruments, which reduces the workload on the nursing team and as well as the CSSG team. Because whenever an instrument is lost, the nursing team blames the CSSG, the CSSG team blames the nurses. So that should not be the process. The blame game should not happen. So if we have a uniform or a transparent tracking system online, I think that would be the best way forward to handle so many multidisciplinary departments operating in the same area. Every time I like to sing, I like to talk with my friends and read books.
Okay.
Those are my hobbies. I learned music when I was in school. It was the basic music which I had done. So I just sing for myself.